I'm gonna do another video that I was called to do, and this video is about letting go of false belief templates that are stored on a cellular level. So I'm going to explain it and then I'll go through the practice with you. So we hold our beliefs in our DNA, and this is why sometimes it feels like we work through the emotional issue and then the mental aspect of it, and we still notice it's coming up in our lives, that and there's still a tinge of reaction that's happening. So because that our beliefs are also held in a DNA level within our cells, there's one more aspect that has to be cleared, and it's a embodied process. So there's a great way that we can go ahead and clear this, and we take like whatever it is that's a false belief that we know we've worked on a mental level, and we've also worked on an emotional level, and probably even a spiritual level, but there's still that residue that's left in our bodies, and we can take that and we can the way I like to start it is I like to wake my cells up to just let them know that I'm going to be doing some work. And so it's kind of, hey guys, wake up and we're going to do some work together. And so I close my eyes and I imagine at the tip of my toes that I'm running a gold light that penetrates inside each cell. And so you're going to want to imagine that as you're doing it, it is going into each cell. I like to see it. I'm a very visual person, so I like to see it. But if you just want to feel it, that's fine too. And so I do a whole sweep of my body. And so I'll even do it with you. Hold on. All the way up to my head, and then I do it all the way back down, and that's kind of my signal to my cells that hey, wake up, I got something I want help with. And so then I do it all the way from the top of my head all the way down, and just that gold light, and it kind of, I can feel the cells starting to get excited, and they're paying attention and they're ready, and it also opens them so that they're more receptive to what my request is. So then after I do that, then I give them some appreciation, and that kind of helps them open up even more. And so I thank them for all their hard work, and I thank them for helping me survive and help me to be happy, and happy for processing my food and making me healthy. And I tell them that they're doing a wonderful job and that I love them so much, and I'm so appreciative of all that they do, even the things that I'm not aware of. And so then they really like that. So like my cells right now, they're really excited, and they're feeling like, okay, we're ready to receive what it is that you are ready to let go of. And so whatever the thing is that I'm letting go of, I'm trying to think of an example. I did this a lot when I was trying to let go of the victim mentality. Right now I'm kind of working on hold on one second. I got an interruption with the spirit. Sorry, I apologize. I wasn't sure if it was for this message or not, but I don't think it is. And now I'm just kind of working on like tweaking different little things within my life, letting go of beliefs that just aren't serving me. So it could be like abandonment. I've had a lot of that I've been working on, or self-worth, or financial stability, or self-criticism, or rejection, any of those things that you feel keeps coming up, and you continue to feel like you're doing the clearing and it's not as effective as you want. This is a great tool. And then we'll do abandonment. And so then I close my eyes and I ask to what the color is for abandonment. And it's whatever that first color that comes to your mind. Like, don't think about it too much. Just go with your instinct, because that's going to be the truth. So what they're telling me, abandonment, the color is red. So I start at the very bottom of my toes, just like we started, and I see that red energy going into the cells with the request to release any aspects of abandonment that's still in my cells. And I allow that to go all the way through my body and up until the top of my head. And you can go really slow. I'm not going to go slow because you can do it on your own, I think. And but just really feel what that feels like. Now, I am going to warn you, sometimes, like, I did this with shame. I felt really tired and kind of icky the next day. And a lot emotions are going to come up with it. Just kind of go with the emotions. They're trying to be acknowledged, so acknowledge them as they come up. Don't be attached to them. It doesn't mean anything. It just means that things are being cleared out of your system. And then you can kind of move on to, if you still feel like you need it, you can do it as many times as you want. It is a very powerful tool, so I would encourage you to just see how it goes the first time, see how you're feeling, and then you can try it more frequently. And the other very important thing about this is to be drinking lots of water, so that the emotions and the beliefs that you're releasing can be really flushed out of your system. That's going to really speed things up. And then follow your diet too. Sometimes I feel like I need to just eat fruit or something the next day. So just listen to your body. It will tell you what it's going to need. And of course, if you need extra rest, make sure you're doing that, because you're clearing out a lot of beliefs that get held and stuck sometimes. So I'm so grateful to have been able to share this. I hope that it's helpful. It was really helpful for me. And if you feel called and you would like a personalized reading, I'd be honored. My information is below. All right, sending you love today.